Let's walk down and check it out.
I think I hit 3 on the right side. It was kind of close. It looked like they were all in the same group though.
Yeah. Well, again, we're not gonna adjust with the turrets too much.
So any type of different grain bullet?
Yeah, different grain.
You gotta adjust your shit.
Different grain ammo. Even different bullet construction, like hollow points, FMJs. They'll all impact differently. Yeah, these 3 are yours. Right there.
Yeah, I figured they were
See,
right in the same
just
group.
like that.
Oh, so that dude means
You're shooting good.
You're tight.
You know that's right on, look.
Oh, those are 45s.
Damn.
I got these targets for free off of their old Medcat. I thought they were going to give me one. When I went to Field and Stream, the guy gave me a whole stack of them like that.
Well, that's nice.
The one guy said, "Where'd you get them?" He said, "The guy told me to do my shopping. When I was done, come over and get the target." And I got them off of their old the guy at Rochester Sportsman's Club gave them to me. He had a whole stack like it. He was giving them away, and I said I should have went back for more.
Oh, wow.
Should have came in the door and voted again. He had a slided chip in the thing.
See,
And I said,
I don't live around here. I can't
and the
vote
guy
for
said,
him.
"Why?" I said, "I had more targets. Better to get them for free."
So that's 1, 2, 3.
That's on.
Yeah, it felt good. I seen it. I hit it.
We'll put up another target.
Well, this is at 50 yards. So.
Yeah. Okay.